Hi, my name's Rob Alberti. I'm the Strategic Business Director for Cromarty Automation. I've been with Cromarty for about 10 years now, and would say every day in our business is a different day. Cromarty Automation, we're effectively an engineering house. We're a bit of a jack of all trades in Tasmania. We sort of operate in anything from sort of industrial automation and electrical systems right through to high-end business system integration. Generally, we operate all over Australia, not just in Tasmania, and we've grown from small beginnings to quite a sizable local organisation. We started back in 1988 with our founder, Bill Cromarty, hence Cromarty Automation, and we actually started our business just across the road from our office we're currently in, which is our Launceston office. That was 2 people. Now we're about 105, roughly within the group, and we operate in Devonport, Hobart, obviously Launceston where we're here today, but also our Melbourne and our Brisbane offices. And every office has a different set of capabilities, but we generally all work together for an outcome. Cromarty Automation have a very wide skill set in terms of our clients. So we operate, as I said, right from sort of low voltage electrical control with electrical technicians right through to high-end business system integration. So the space we operate in is in mining, in industrial manufacturing, in the water industry, renewable energy, and right across all those spectrums we also operate in cybersecurity, so that sort of delves into each individual space. But primarily industrial automation and control systems, so we don't do anything in that sort of commercial space. So we do a lot of things which people probably don't know, but we do it behind the scenes, and we make a lot of our industry tick. Cromarty Automation employ a wide skill set within the business. We of course have our administration teams who are sort of based within the offices right throughout the different sites, but we also employ our electrical technicians, our instrumentation technicians, so they operate in that space where you have industrial control systems which needs instrumentation and that sort of more complex type environments. The rest of the team are sort of in engineering space, electrical engineering, so designing electrical systems, automation systems, so control systems, and telemetry. So right across the spectrum of engineering skills, but always in that industrial automation, electrical disciplines. With Bell Bay, there's obviously a huge amount of potential in terms of its infrastructure. It's got lots and lots of ticks that the industry need, the deep water port, the access to power, there's water infrastructure accessibility as well with Tas Irrigation and Tas Water. So we do sort of see the opportunities within Bell Bay to be huge for us as an organisation, providing very high-end services into that sort of local space. And I think a lot of people really underrate Tasmania's capability in general to provide engineering services and infrastructure services. So I think Bell Bay is going to play a really important part in the sort of growth of not only the Bell Bay region but also Tasmania. One thing with Cromarty Automation, we really look to partner with our local industry. We sort of understand that we all work together to get really good outcomes, but we also look a lot towards government support, and we try to get heavily involved as we can in organisations such as BBAMZ, where they're really providing really strong advocacy for industry into that sector to help us grow. So we really see there's great opportunities to work together, both within partnerships within existing businesses, but also with lots of the government organisations who can provide support to help us grow our business and ultimately the state, and provide some really strong career paths for our young engineers and young people that are coming through the industry.